2016 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, traction control, backup camera, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, heated steering wheel, fog lights, electronic stability control, USB connection, power windows, compass, trip computer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.